This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, we'll start by 8:05. Let's wait for others to join. Before we start, can you introduce yourself guys? Ravi, Madan, Kaushik. Hello? I'm audible right guys? Can you
Yeah, you are
introduce
audible.
yourself?
Yeah, hey, my name is Madan. I have been working on Java J2E technologies, so interested to learn data side of the world.
Okay, fine. Other guys, Sai, Ravi. Guys, in the meantime, can you introduce yourself? Ravi, Naga, Babji. Uh, Before we start, either Kaushik.
Hi, this is Naga. Jitu.
Okay.
Uh, I'm currently working, but our team recently started getting into Azure space, so I would like to build some expertise and I would like to gain knowledge on Azure to build pipelines. So that's why I'm attending this
Okay,
training.
fine.
Yeah,
Hi, this is Babji. Currently, I'm working as a test engineer side, and I need to move to data engineering. I need to get more knowledge on that Azure Data Bricks and moving the career from testing to this data engineering.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay,
Thank
guys,
you.
then let's start. So let me
Sorry.
share my. Okay, guys, let's start then. Let me share my
Uh,
screen. Let me know once you guys are able to see my screen, right? Can someone quickly confirm if you are able to see my screen?
I can see your screen.
Yeah, fine,
yeah,
thank you.
I'm able to.
So yeah, coming to myself, I'm Raj. I have 12 plus years of experience, and in training, I have 4 years of experience. Okay. So I have been worked on many technologies. In data engineering part, I'm working as a data architect. Okay, guys, let's start our session. Yeah, guys. So my first question to you guys is like, what is data? Hello, can someone say what is data?
Collection of information.
Okay. Any other definition, guys?
Just information about specific item, like anything, either color or shape.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay then. Yeah. Data is nothing but collection of raw facts. Raw facts. Okay. So as someone said, it can be anything. Okay. So what is information?
Like
Hello.
it characteristics or uh, information about that specific object, details.
Okay. Okay. So information is nothing but the processed data. So what are the raw facts we are getting and what we are processing it as per our need. Processed data as per our need or requirement. We call it as information. This information is used by end customer and user either for decision making or decision making for his business or for either it can be used for his business or for his own purpose. Next, how many kinds of data we have? Data you see, data we see daily. Can someone say? So what type of data you see daily? Hello guys.
Structured data, unstructured data.
Okay. So you have someone said unstructured, second one semi-structured, third one, third we have
Structured.
structured. So coming to unstructured. So what we have for unstructured? Your audio video files, your notepad, your data, notepad data, or your anything. Your Word, Notepad, PDFs, this comes under your unstructured audio, video files, these things. What is your semi-structured data, guys?
Mails.
Okay. Your HTML pages,
Mm.
JSON files, okay, which have key value pair. Okay. What is your structured?
Excel file,
Your
Sequential
tables.
file.
tables, yeah, Excel file.
Yeah, your
Table.
tables, we call it as structured data, which is in the form of rows and columns. Okay. So this is about data. Okay. Now, so can you let me know before computers or something how we used to store the data? Before your Excel these things we used to store the data in some notebooks and we used to process. Am I correct? But now modern days, how you are storing your data guys? In your pen drives. Am I correct? Either on your hard disk. Am I correct guys? So there are different storage devices available in the market. Now, so when the data size is small, what happened guys? Your application developer or your developer who has knowledge on either any programming language use it to work on this data. Okay. So whatever your legacy applications you are having in earlier days, legacy applications, your developer only used to work on the data apart from application building for processing. Guys, let me ask you a question here. How many people are using mobile phones? Hello?
You mean to attend this session or
No, no,
normal?
no. I am asking how many has mobile phones?
I have
No, everybody is
one.
using mobile phones nowadays, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. How many applications you use on a daily basis on an average?
6 to 10.
Okay, let's take an example here. So six applications on an average, 1 MB of data. Am I correct? Every day. Each application 1 MB. So 6 MB, am I correct? You guys are using them. All over the whole world, for each application, how many users are there? And how much amount of data? My question to you guys, can this data can be processed by the same developer? Hello? My question to you guys, can this data can be processed by the same developer for either for your end user needs or for business needs? Hello? Can be processed into information by the same developer who does end the application? Hello? Am I audible right guys? Answer is no. Because guys, am I audible right? Can someone quickly respond?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello? Yeah, fine, thank you. No. Straight away the answer is no. Reasons. In earlier days, as I said, so processing this data with your programming, okay, either with Java, .NET, or any language. What are the challenges? Takes huge amount of coding and results may not be accurate as per business need. So people thought and designed few tools came into the market. Okay, what are these tools? SSIS from Microsoft, Informatica,
Data stage.
okay, DataStage, Ebinitio. So many tools. Okay, so these tools which were in the market has been solved the problem which people were facing at the time for processing this huge amount of data. Okay, and what happened guys? So as I said, these applications are legacy applications where data has been dumped either.
Could you please maximize your screen?
Okay, it's 100 only. Now it's fine, right? Is it fine, right, guys? Hello?
Yes, fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So where this data is dumped either in flat files, as someone said, your XML, JSON. So whatever data you are receiving is either in tables. So either it says structured or semi-structured. Structure. When the data with unstructured format was introduced into the market, market, these applications handled it, but not as per expected. So what is your unstructured format in your mobile phones? Your audio, video, your streaming data. Am I correct, guys? With this
Yes.
thing, in the market, a new word was introduced. That is first one. That is data engineering. Okay. So what people thought, like either your business companies or everyone, so what these people thought, like we need some specific engineers or people who can handle this huge amount of data and who can solve our problem with these things. A term coined into the market, data engineering. Getting it right? So who is a data engineer? A person who works on the data using specific tools and who is an again an ETL developer. Okay. So what is ETL? I'll be talking in the next few minutes. Who is an ETL developer? Who is responsible for cleaning and cleansing the data and make it as processed information. Getting it right? As per business needs. Got it right, guys? So now let's talk something about ETL. So guys, anyone heard here about ETL? Hello?
Yes. Yeah. Extract, transform, load.
Okay. So what is here extract transform load? Extract is nothing but, so first, as I said, we have applications, client facing or end user facing applications. So what are the data? It can be from any source. It can be your like your forms, okay, or your telephonic data, streaming data, you have to say, from any source which you are receiving from the market, external world. So what we'll do, we extract the data. Extract is nothing but getting the data from external world. Okay. Transformation. What is this transformation? shaping the data as per the requirement. Okay, and loading. What is this load? Placing this transformer data into dumping it into some storage where your business teams or end users perform some analytics. Okay, what are data you are having it? Okay, what are the data now which is transformed and loaded? So this data is used for either taking business decisions or showcasing to the end customer. Okay, so any ETL processes guys which you are using in day-to-day life? Hello, any domains which you see? Hello, any industry have you seen like using ETL process? Hello,
Most
guys,
of the
I'm
industries are
audible.
using, yeah, most of the industries are using healthcare domain, banking domain.
So yeah, every domain is using ETL.
Yes.
So it can be your healthcare, insurance, banking. So whatever the things day to day these people are using. So in the back end, what the process is happening is ETL. Okay, which were worked by data engineers. Okay, now got an idea, right, guys, on what is ETL, what is data engineering? Hello, any doubts, guys, here? Hello. So as I said, data engineering is someone who is a professional hired to specifically work on data or to design the systems how this data can be handled. So coming to roles of data roles. So what are the roles available in the market? One is data architect. Okay, who can design the systems to handle this data. Second one, data engineer, who is responsible for who is responsible for what are the system made design given by architect to implement it. And finally you have a database administrator, data administrator, who is responsible for security, handling the security. Getting it right, guys? These are the roles available in the market. Okay, any doubts, guys, in this part? Hello? Hello? Any doubts, guys, in this part?
Little
No.
words.
So, have you guys heard about something called what that? Big data? Guys, here anyone heard about a term called big data? So, here what is big data basically? Either your data relatively large in size, okay, or whatever your existing system you are having, unable to handle this data, accommodate this data to say more specifically. Okay, any doubts? So, what as I said, big data is nothing but it's a very huge volume of data or whatever the existing system you are having unable to handle this or store this data. Okay, now as a data engineer, you people work on these both legacy systems, these big data systems, and what guys you have your modern, what are the applications which were designed and implemented recently, modern systems. Okay, so now what were the prerequisites, coming to prerequisites for a data engineer? First one, knowledge on any of the database, basic knowledge. Okay, fine. Next, basics on any programming language, preferably Python. Database, you need to have some basic knowledge on your SQL. Okay, any doubts guys here? Hello?
Nothing.
Yeah, one question, sir. I only have knowledge on just basic knowledge on database, not in Python. Is that fine?
Yeah, it's fine, madam.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So you have database, it's fine. So if you have Python also, it's very fine. That's it. Okay.
Mm. Okay, thank you.
Now, coming to this Azure. What is this Azure? Azure is nothing but cloud product. It's a cloud product from Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft. So we have this data engineering stream in all the clouds, either in Microsoft, GCP, or in AWS. Okay, so Azure is basically from Microsoft. Fine, guys. So what, as a data engineer, Azure data engineer, what you gonna do? So what Microsoft thought is like, what are the applications which were designed on Windows or any other systems? Any systems, okay? Now all these systems, Microsoft products are migrating to cloud, to Azure. So coming to data engineering, what Microsoft thought is like, they brought some specific tools were introduced in the Azure. Okay, so that these legacy engineers who worked on SSIS or other Microsoft products can work here. Okay, getting it right, guys? So what are these tools introduced by Microsoft? First, as it's an ETL process, they introduced tools like, for storing your data, we have blobs, ADLS, data lakes, your SQL, Azure SQL, you have your Cosmos DB, and you have Synapse as warehouse. Okay, guys. Next, for transformation, you have something like ADF, Databricks. Okay, for cleaning and cleansing the data, transforming the data, and finally you load into again your target. Target is nothing but again your storages. Fine, guys. So connecting to your for extracting, connecting your application or to your storage, we have something like ADF or Databricks. Then you have your storages, okay, and you have something here called Synapse as well. Synapse. Okay, guys. Any doubts here? So what you people gonna learn? So you gonna learn on data engineering tech stack. Okay, what Microsoft has been specified for a data engineer. Okay, so coming to certifications part. So we have DP 203 for data engineering. Any doubts, guys, here? Hello? Hello? Guys, any doubts, guys, here?
Nitin Raj.
So this is about your data engineering. Next, what are the things you need to have to work on data engineering apart from prerequisites? First one, you need to have Azure portal access. Okay. You need to have some database installed on your PC or in cloud. Okay. You need to have some web API for connecting to the applications. And what, guys? You need to have some access to some streaming systems. Okay, like Kafka or stream sets. Okay, to work on your streaming data. So this is like for micro specified. So if you know all these things to work, you are a data engineer. Okay, these are required for a data engineer to have a hands-on knowledge. Hello. So here, as I said, ADF. It's a tool from Microsoft which involves less coding. Okay, to work on small and medium transformations. Okay, any doubts, guys? And we have Databricks.
That
For
ADF means Azure Data Frame. What is that ADF?
Azure Data Factory. Okay, Databricks for it's a third party product. So Databricks is everywhere. It's in your GCP, it's in your AWS, or it's in your Azure. It's a third party. So all these cloud vendors has collaborated with Databricks, and these are used for large scale transformations for your data. Okay, and as I said, these are called, it's a vendor. The Databricks is a third party one where all, as I said, your Microsoft, your GCP, or your AWS has been collaborated. Okay. and they got their own flavor on the top of it. Okay, it's on for Azure Cloud, Azure Databricks, for AWS Databricks, and they use their own tools to dump the data for transformation. Okay, any doubts, guys, here? Hello?
So ADF and Databricks, they both do same job, kind of job. Like one is for smaller set and one is for larger set.
Yeah, both do the same job, but Databricks is a bit costly coming to ADF, as it deals with huge amount of data. So once you get into the like, you will know about the differences. Okay,
Okay.
for large scale transformations. So here in Databricks, it uses some, you need to have, as I said, some basic SQL, writing queries, and either PySpark, Python. So here we use something like PySpark, combination of which is a combination of Python and Spark. Okay, any doubts, guys, here? So this is about your data engineering. Hello?
Both are processing, right? For
Yeah, both
storage,
are for data processing only.
okay. Storage we use just uh, Gen 2
Storage
and
is where you are either your tables or anything.
okay.
Maybe your table or storage, as I said, ADLS or something. Okay. Or you can straight away take data from your web APIs from outside world and you can process the data. Your merely real-time data. So for your stream sets, as I said, Kafka for streaming in Microsoft, we have something like event hubs. Okay, which holds your streaming data. Okay, any doubts, guys, in this part? Hello?
No, it's clear.
Okay, fine, guys, then. Any doubts you can ask me, guys. This is on your data engineering part demo. Hello?
What is the duration for course and timings? Uh,
Timings your coordinator will inform you.
mhm.
Duration will be like 45 to 60 hours.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So any other doubts, guys? On your data engineering part? So we'll be going into each topic on discussion like what is Azure, these things, portal creation and everything in the next classes. Then we'll start our topic or on our work on data engineering hands-on. Any doubts, guys? Data architect is like you design your systems. So once you complete your data engineering, so once you work on, so you will be having some knowledge. So how to design your system. So as a data engineer, you develop your pipelines and everything. So as an architect, you will design your how your application. So how should be your application communicating for a data engineer? How it works? Okay. How can I get the data from my thing? So once you are good in the hands-on in data engineering, then you can become a data architect. Hello. Before we wrap up, guys, any doubts? Okay, guys, then. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
Thank you, Raj, for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.